Hello, this video will show you how to pair your bike. First time when you open the app, you get this login screen, and in it you have the option to log in with your Greyp account, which you can create in advance. You can use the Apple, Facebook or Google login. I will select Google, and now when you go through the login you get the screen showing you that you need to pair your bike. So to pair your bike, you start the process by tapping on Start Pairing. Then you enable the Wi-Fi on Android 10 device. You need to enable it in this system menu. Once this is enabled, the mobile device starts scanning for the SSIDs and in the vicinity, and it will show you the bikes, the Greyp bikes, which are turned on and have their Wi-Fi activated. You then tap on the VIN that shows your bike. The application prompts to connect. You get this Android 10 system dialog to connect to the device. Once that goes through, the connection is successful and pairing is in progress. It takes a couple of seconds for systems to exchange information and pair your bike. And this is the confirmation screen that your bike is paired, and you can now continue using the app with your bicycle. Thank you.